Hello. Hi, how are you today?
I'm good.
Okay. Quick answer. I like it. So, I guess you went to school. Did you go to school today?
Yes, I went to school today.
Okay, very good. It's very fast and loud. Thank you. Thank you very much. Now I can hear you clearly. Very good. All right. So, did you have English class today?
Oh, no. Mm,
Okay, my question was.
I
Oh, okay. Good. Go.
I didn't
Uh
take
huh.
English class today
Okay, you
at
didn't
the
take
school.
at school. Okay, very good. Perfect sentence. Thank you. You didn't take English class today. Uh-huh, I see. Did your teacher give you any handout? Do you understand handout? What is handout?
Mm, I don't know.
You don't know. It's fine. Don't worry. Handout, actually, I made your homework last time and maybe you didn't see it yet. Okay. This must be a test, but anyways, this works. Okay, so I'm going to give you this one here again, and you'll see it soon. Handout. Okay. Oh, actually, I'll make another one. Uh, Handout. 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 So that is something called print. So yeah, this one. This is handout. So when you go to school, teachers give you some papers, right? It's not textbook. Do you understand textbook? What is a textbook?
교과서?
That's right. So you have your textbook for English class, but not the textbook, but your teachers just print out some papers and give it to you and your uh, schoolmates. That's called handout. 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 This is handout. Okay, so did you get any handout?
No, I didn't. Um, mm,
So my question was, did you get any handout?
mm, no, I didn't
Mm-hmm.
get
Hmm.
any handout.
Okay, that's good. That's good. Don't worry. So when I ask you with the sentence, and then the sentence must have the verb, right? You can use the same verb when you answer. It's always that way. Same. Okay. So whenever you have handout, send it to me. It's important. Okay. Good. So all right. How many classes did you have today?
Um, I um, um, I had 7 class. today.
Oh, okay. You had 7 classes today. Okay, good. I understand. Uh, isn't it tiring?
No, I am not tired.
Okay, that's a good answer. But my question was, isn't it tiring? So, easier way to answer my question is, no, it is not tiring. I'm not saying you're wrong. I'm just saying this is easier way. Do you understand easier?
더 쉬운?
Yeah, right. I said this is easier way. So what is this is easier way in Korean?
음, 이것이 더 쉬운 방법이다.
Perfect. Very good. So you had 7 classes today, and how was the school food?
음, it was delicious.
Okay, it was delicious. So you eat school food for lunch and you eat home food for dinner. So which is more delicious? Is your home food more delicious or is your school food more delicious? Which is better?
음, home food is more delicious than school food.
Perfect answer. Okay, yeah, you're doing good now. See, you can do it. But last time your problem was lower voice, like soft voice. And then now you answer really quickly. Very good. Thank you. Okay, next is maybe I don't ask anymore. I think we talk about some grammar stuff today. So this is lesson 3. The previous test, like your midterm exam. Do you understand midterm exam?
음, I don't know.
Okay, I see. I'll teach you. Midterm exam is this. That is, I want to see something actually written. Yeah, midterm exam is. This is midterm exam. Where did it go? Yeah, this is midterm exam. Don't worry, I'll add it to your homework. Midterm exam. Midterm exam. But nobody actually says exam here. Midterm. Midterm. Let me check that out again. I'm sorry. I just need to make sure. Yeah, finals and midterms. That's right. Okay, I'll say exam 2, just in case. Midterm exam. Midterm exam. What is it?
중간고사.
That's right. Okay. So your midterm exam covered until lesson 2 in the textbook. Do you understand cover? Cover.
없다.
Oh yeah, right? That's cover. But sometimes it means something different. So I can say cover. I just said the midterm exam covered lesson 1 and 2. So what does that mean? The midterm exam covered lesson 1 and 2. The midterm exam covered lesson 1 and 2.
중간고사에서 일 단원과 이 단원을 냈다.
That's cover. So I can't really say what cover means. So cover. Oh yeah, this one. This will do. Okay, this can mean cover. Okay. So next exam is final exam. So the final exam. The final exam. The final exam. I wouldn't say the final exam, final exam. I'll just say final exam. Final exam. Final exam. So what is final exam?
이말고사.
Yeah, right. So the final exam will cover lessons 3, 4, and maybe 5. I'm not sure. Do you know? Did your teacher say about it?
No, my teacher was not say that.
Okay, then fine. So I will say this way. You said was not, but no, did not, because say is action. So I will say my teacher didn't mention it. My teacher didn't mention it. My teacher didn't mention it. So which means she didn't say anything about it. Okay, good. Is it she or he, by the way?
He.
He or she again?
She.
She, okay, is a woman teacher then. All right, she didn't mention it yet. But anyways, lesson 3 will definitely be in your final exam. So I analyzed. So you will see these things in your final exam. And I will teach you, especially this part today. You like, I'm not sure if you like, but you're good with passive voice. You're good, very good. So you understand this, right?
Yes.
Okay, and now, do you understand this?
음, 음,
Do you understand?
no.
No. Okay, let me just quickly check this out. Okay, I get it. So the type. In English, people say there are 5 types in English. So first type is, this is, okay, make any sentence. Can you make any sentence?
I
Okay, I.
eat
Yeah, good. Then the second one is, uh, this. So can you make any sentence?
I eat some food.
No. You said I eat some food. That means 주어가 보어이다. Which means I equal to food? No. So wrong. Can you try again? Just one more sentence.
I am
Okay.
happy.
Okay. Happy. So you just said it. This one. You said this one. 상태. State. Okay, fine. The third one is that is okay. So can you make anything here? Any sentence is fine.
I eat some food.
Okay. That must be the third shape. Very good. And the fourth shape is all about giving and receiving. So that equals to okay. Okay, so that is the fourth shape. Can you just make any sentence?
I give
Okay, perfect.
him
Uh-huh.
the gift.
Okay, why not? Perfect. And the last one is fifth. And this is and that is just usually this. So, can you try just one sentence?
He makes me happy.
Okay, he makes me happy. So, you as subject becomes no. Me as the object becomes happy. Yeah, so me happy. Same, yes, that means this is object complement. Very good. So you understand the five shapes here. And now we want to talk about this. So this is active voice. What is active voice? What is active voice? Do you know active voice?
I don't know.
Finish your sentence. You can do it.
I don't know active voice.
Okay, I don't know active voice. That's one way to say it. I don't know active voice. I don't know active voice. And another way, or the other way too, I'm gonna say another way. You can say, I don't know what active voice is. Do you understand this sentence? What is this in Korean? I don't know what active voice is.
나는 active voice가 무엇인지 모른다.
Very good. That's how you do. I don't know active voice. I don't know active voice. Okay, that's what you said. The microphone sounds a little different, so let me just quickly check this one first. What's happening now? Okay, maybe this might be different. Let's try it. So the next thing is I don't know what active voice is. I don't know what active voice is. I don't know what active voice is. Okay, you'll understand very soon. Active voice is this. And you said you didn't know active voice, but do you know 능동태 then?
I don't know well.
Okay, you don't know well. It's okay, I'll teach you. So yesterday, let me just try this one. I remember I still have your homework somewhere in my iPad. I'll bring it here. So let's just get it here. Hey, okay, it's waiting. What's going on? Oh yeah, I think I just heard it. Where did it go? I think this one. Yeah, this will do too. Fine. Or just this one, I guess. Okay, this is clearer because she typed. No, she didn't, but anyways. Yeah, so we will talk about this. Look at this. So this is 능동태 here. This is 능동태. And what's the point? The point is this is 능동태. And what about this? The second one. What is it called? Oh, I just said it. What did I say? I said, what is it called? What is it called? What is it called?
이것을 무엇이라고 부르나요?
Yeah, right. That's what is it called, because this is verb be plus past participle. That is 수동태, past passive voice, 수동태. It's right here. Okay, so that one is that is passive voice, and this is active voice. Active voice and passive voice. I drink water. Water is drunk by me. That's active voice and passive voice. Okay, now this is active voice pattern. But then we need to know how to make this fourth shape into passive voice. That's what we do today. Let's go. So look at this. I just brought one sentence here. They offered me a job. 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 What is it? What is they offered me a job?
그들은 나에게 일을 제안했다.
Something like that. So offer, you're right, you're not wrong, but I wouldn't say that exactly. So I'll say offered me a job offer. So it could be this or that. So I think I'll stick to yours. Okay, they offered me a job. Okay, good. You understood. But the problem is, can you make this one into passive voice? Let's say, what if I make it like this? Just wait, I'm sorry. I'll delete this all. And then I'll say they offered me a job. And what about the past tense? What is the past tense of? Okay. They offered me a job. And the past tense is they offered me a job. And now what about, what is this? What am I doing here? What? No way. No way. Where did it go? Then my question is, can you make it past tense? I mean, passive voice. Can you make it passive voice? Okay. I drink water. And what about passive voice sentence for I drink water? What is it?
I drank water.
Oh, no. I said passive voice. Do you understand passive voice? What would that be? I
do not.
Oh, no. I said passive voice. Do you understand passive voice? Maybe you don't. Okay, I'll show you again. Here, I told you this. This is passive voice. This is passive voice, and this is active voice. Yeah, passive voice. So I'm asking you passive voice for this sentence.
Water
Very good.
is drunk by me.
Yeah, right. Then now, this is active voice sentence, and I want you to make the passive voice sentence here. yeah, how would you make this passive voice?
I
I
offered a job by them.
Something's wrong there. There should be the verb be somewhere in this sentence, but you didn't use it. Can you correct the sentence? Can you correct? Oh, do you know correct? Correct. Correct. What is correct?
정확한.
Oh, yeah, right. The first meaning is this is correct. So you answer, and that can be correct or wrong. But the second meaning is verb, and that is correct. So correct has two different meanings, but what I'm saying right now is, can you correct the sentence? Can you correct the sentence? Can you correct the sentence? What is it?
당신은 그 문장을 수정할 수 있나요?
Very good. Right. So that's what I'm saying now. Can you correct the sentence? Something's wrong there.
I offered by them a job.
Oh, no, not the part. The part you're missing here is, look at that. You used the verb be, right? And what about the second sentence? Do you have it?
I am offered a job by them.
Yeah, I'm offered the job by them. That's correct. But then, what if I start the same sentence and I change a little, like I am? No, I mean, look at this. We have indirect object and direct object. So what if I say a job was offered to me by them? Do you think this is a wrong sentence? So which is correct? This one correct or this one correct? Which one? Which one? Both. This is correct, and this is correct too. It's because this sentence has two objects. One, me. The second, a job. So you can make it two different ways. So I just made it as a chart or just a kind of picture like this. Look at this. This is how it works. Look at that. So offered me, that's an object, and a job is object too. So it could be they offered me a job to I was offered a job by them, or it could be they offered me a job becomes the subject, a job was offered to me by them. Okay, the next. My father bought me a toy. This is something new and weird. Then, okay, look at this. I did the same thing here and this. Then what about this sentence? What is this in Korean? My father bought me a toy. What is it?
아빠는 나에게 장난감을 사주셨었다.
That's right. Very good. And now if we want to make it the passive voice, it doesn't work that way. I was bought. What is I was bought? What is I was bought in Korean?
나는 사줬다.
Right. Yeah. So it sounds weird. So that's why when you use passive voice, force shape into passive voice, and be careful of this make, buy, cook. Cook is even worse. Look at this. Then what about my father? I'll just make another one here. Then I'll make some example here. My father cooked me okay, let's just pick up from where we just left off. And so my father cooked me a chicken. Maybe I'll say chicken soup. My father cooked me chicken soup, and maybe I tried to change it. Then what is it gonna be? I was cooked chicken soup by my father. So it sounds weird. I was cooked, and it doesn't sound right. So that's why you don't want to change cook, make, buy into like force shape, and passive voice. Okay, so same as this. Okay, so now you have two things to learn in this chapter. One is how to change passive voice, force shape into a passive voice. One way here and the other way here. That's one thing. Okay, you learned this one today. What did you learn? You learned this. First, this is one thing you want to learn. And second one is this. You learn two things like this today. Okay, so do you think you understand now? Do you understand what I'm talking about now?
Yes, I understand.
Okay, very good. All right, that's it. So later I'll make your homework and then send it to you. Then you'll fully understand this. Don't worry, I'll just set this on and I'll just send it to you. So the rest of the time, I guess we have 20 more minutes. We just talk about anything. So, okay, what about your sister, the second daughter in your family? You, as the first daughter, you teach your sister. And okay, how is she? Is she doing well now?
Yes, she is well now.
Okay, okay, that's very good. And next thing you want to teach her is the verb be, right?
Yes.
Uh-huh. So are you confident that she can do it too?
Um, no, I am not confident.
You're not confident? Oh, why not? The verb be is easier than passive voice, don't you think?
Mm,
Okay, maybe I'll change this one for you. The verb. Okay. Verb be is easier than passive voice. Don't you think? The verb be is easier than passive voice, don't you think? The verb be is easier than passive voice, don't you think? This is what I ask. So, what do you think? Give me your opinion.
um, I am. I think the verb be is easier than passive voice.
Uh-huh. Oh yeah. So you can teach her then. She can do it. Is she does she complain about the homework because she needs to write it down a lot of things? Does she complain?
Yes, she is complain.
And what about your mother? Does your mother complain about this?
Mm, my my mother is not complain it.
Oh, you want to say my mother doesn't complain about it, or my mother is not complaining about it. Okay, I
Uh,
see. Uh-huh.
my mom
Uh,
is not complaining.
yeah, right. Present progressive. My mother is not complaining about it. Okay, I see. But if your if your sister, younger sister, complains about it, maybe she can teach her sister. Then now she doesn't need to write it down. The third daughter in your family will do the homework, and second daughter will check it. Maybe that's fine then, right? Okay, so she learns from you, and then maybe third daughter in your family can learn from the second daughter. Problem solved. Okay, I get it. So she's complaining. Tell her I'm sorry. Okay. And next is I don't know. Maybe you ask me anything, please. Maybe you talk about anything because I always was the one who made questions. So maybe you do it. Can you ask me any question?
Mm, mm, Mm. Mm.
Oh, maybe if we talk about something else, then it's fine. Well, yesterday I had another class, and I had a class and there were three girls. So three girls and me. So like four people are in one class. We talked about the things we like, and one of the girls, she said she's the fan of Tomorrow by Together, and so which means she likes Tomorrow by Together too. And we talked about the singers too. So I asked her what is her favorite song of them, and she said she can't choose because she likes them equally, like all the songs of theirs. What about you then? What is the favorite song of yours? I mean, song by them. What is the favorite song?
Mm. 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 Zero by One Love Song.
Okay, wait a second. So how do I spell it? What did you say? Zero?
Zero by
You mean this by?
mm,
Oh, you mean
One
0 by 1? This?
Love
Oh,
Song.
okay. Let me just check this out. Ah, okay. What does that even mean? I don't understand. 0 by 1 love song. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure. Okay, so this is your favorite song. All right, then I'll listen to it after this class. Maybe this is a good one. I see. Okay. And maybe I ask you some other questions then. I don't know what to ask. Oh, yeah, maybe we can learn more things here. Look at this. The next thing I want to teach you is this one. So maybe we can make some sentences just like that. Uh, okay, make the sentence, please.
I want you
Mm-hmm.
teach your sister.
Oh, I'll change a little. I want you to teach your sister. Okay, I want you to teach your sister. I want you to teach your sister. I want you to teach your sister. The next is okay, can you make it?
I want mm, the people will be happy.
Okay, I'll change a little. I want the people to be happy. Okay. Do you see the difference? And do you see the pattern? So which means you want the people and people how to be happy. I want the people to be happy. I want the people to be happy. Then what about this?
I want my sister to help me.
Right, perfect. See? You see the pattern now. I want my sister to help me. I want my sister to help me. Oh. Then what about this?
I want to myself
Right.
to be taller.
Yeah, perfect. I want myself to be taller. I want myself to be taller. Okay, and what can I say? I don't know. Ah.
I expect
Okay.
my sister to understand me.
Perfect. I expect my sister to understand me. I expect my sister to understand me. All right, what can I say? What else can I say? I want something to. Oh, yeah, this one. Okay, what about this?
I help you to learn.
Two things here. I help you learn. I help you to learn. I help you to learn. I help you learn. I help you learn. Right. Both are correct. And do you know why both are correct?
I don't know.
Okay, let's talk about it. I help you to learn. It's because, do you know anything about possessive noun? Oh, I'm sorry. Possessive verb. Do you know anything about it?
Um, no, I don't know.
Okay. Then what about this? Yeah, this one.
Causative. Causative.
My pronunciation was wrong. Sorry. Okay, I'll explain here. I'll just explain here. So, basic card, and I'll say this. Help. Only help. Help is a very special one. So when you go to take the test, like final test or midterm test, I don't know, in the future somehow, when you see I help you learn and I help you learn, maybe you will. The question goes like, choose the wrong answer out of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And maybe you'll see this sentence and this sentence in the same problem. Then you will think, oh, one of those must be wrong. But actually, they are both right. So that's how teachers make questions. Okay? That's a trap. So, okay, you'll remember this. Don't worry, I'll make sure of it. All right, then. Next is then what about this? Can you do it?
I make you exercise.
Right. Okay. I make you exercise. I make you exercise. Then tell me, please, I make you to exercise. Is that right sentence? This one.
It's right sentence.
No, it's a wrong sentence. It's a wrong sentence. Why is it a wrong sentence? I'll write it down here. Why? Can you explain why? I'll explain. Don't worry. Make That's why. That's why. So now I ask you once more, then how much do you know about causative verb? What is causative verb? Can you explain? 사역동사는 뭔가를 시키는 행동이나 이런 것들. A가 이제 주어가 동사를 사용을 해서 목적어에게 어떠한 행동을 하게끔 만드는 걸 사역동사라고 합니다. 근데 영어에서 어느 시점에서 이걸 약속을 했겠죠. 자꾸 투부정사 쓰지 말고 사역동사라고 정해서 우리는 이거를 목적어를 그냥 원형 부정사, 원형을 받자, 동사 원형을 이렇게 정한 거예요, 누군가가. 그래서 그것 때문에 공부를 할 때 얘는 사역동사구나, 쟤는 사역동사가 아니구나, 쟤는 준사역동사구나, 이거를 알고 있으면은 시험에서 안 틀려요. 이런 것 때문에 시험 문제가 생기는 거예요, 사실상. 굳이 안 만들어도 되는 거를. 그럼 준사역동사는 뭐냐? 준사역동사는 사역동사의 성질을 전체가 아닌 일부를 갖는 동사예요. 입니다. 그래서 help가 준사역동사고 get도 준사역동사예요. 그래서 사역동사였으면은 원형만 봤는데 help는 준사역이라서 원형과 투부정사 다 됨. 이게 반쪽짜리 사역동사인 거예요, 말하자면. get 같은 경우는 준사역동사라서 그게 돼요. get은 뭐가 되냐면은 뒤에 뭐가 안 되는지를 말해야겠다. 그래. help는 준사역동사라서 아니다. 이걸 설명을 아예 완벽히 다시 해줘야 될 것 같은데 틀렸기 때문에 다시 해준 게 아니라 이해할 수 있게끔 해주기 위해서 다시 해주고 싶다는 얘기예요. get은 준사역동사라서 뒤에 형용사를 보어로 받을 수 있다. 예를 들어서 이런 문장 있죠. I made him happy. 나는 그를 행복하게 만들었다. 형용사 받을 수 있잖아요. 그죠? 사역동사인데 얘도 마찬가지로 I helped him happy. 이건 안 돼. 안 됩니다. 준사역 동사인데 동사인데 뒤에 형용사 받는 기능이 없음. 이게 반쪽짜리인 이유가 여기에 있어요. 근데 대신에 I helped him study 이렇게 하면은 됨. 준사역 동사인데 동사라서 목적어를 원형으로 받는 기능이 있음. 이건 있어요. 그러니까 반쪽인 거예요. 얘는 get도 마찬가지. I get him, I got him happy. 이것도 가능은 해요. 이렇게는 안 쓰겠지만 됨. 준사역 동사라서 보어를 받는 기능이 있음. I got him work. 안 됨. 준사역 동사라서 목적어를 원형으로 받는 기능 없음. 동사인데라고 해야겠다. 그래서 이게 반쪽씩 빠져 있어요. 얘네 두 개가. 그래서 얘네 두 개가 준사역 동사라고 불리는 거예요. 딱딱 반씩 빠져 있어서 그래요. 얘네 둘이. 그래서 이런 거 가지고 치사하게 선생님들이 야 학생들 이거 조금 물어보면은 몇 명은 틀리겠는데 이런 식으로 해서는 이게 시험 문제에 나오는 거예요. 시험 문제가 나오는 메커니즘을 알아야 돼요. 왜 나오는지. 틀릴만 하니까 나오는 겁니다. 오케이, 오늘 수업 여기까지 할 거고요. 오늘 진짜 잘했어요. 목소리 크게 해준 거 너무 고맙고 대답도 빨리 굉장히 하고 있고 그 다음에 문법 수준이 있네. 애초에 잘하고 있네요. 되게 선생님이 영어를 굳이 오래 가르칠 필요가 없을 것 같습니다. 굉장히 잘하는데 알겠습니다. 이거는 조금 새로웠죠. 사형식 문장 수동태. 근데 이거는 좀 하는 것 같아요. 딱 보니까 됐습니다. 되는 거 빨리빨리 끝내고 안 되는 거 조금 더 하고 이런 식으로 하면 돼요. 이거 사과해서 이만큼 끝내야 돼요. 근데 거의 다 이미 알고 있을 거예요. 괜찮습니다. 오케이, 오늘 수업 여기까지 합시다. 물어보고 싶은 거나 뭐 이런 거 있습니까?
아니요.
없어요? 그래요. 물어보고 싶은 거나 이런 거 있으면 평소에 카톡으로도 그냥 문자 보내놓으세요. 네, 그럼 수업은 여기까지 하겠습니다. 수고했습니다.